Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Friends, 2 days back, that is on 10/7/2023, Honorable Supreme Court of India dismissed or cancelled the anticipatory bail granted to accused in a cheating and misoperation case granted by the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Why? This is what we have to know. Justice Suryakant and C.T. Ravikumar, 2 judges bench, in the case of Pratibha Manchanda and another versus State of Haryana and another in Criminal Appeal number 1793/2023 on 7/7/2023 held that no doubt anticipatory bail is relating to personal liberty, which is more important. Personal liberty is more important, but court has to consider the gravity of the offense, the impact on the society, the socio-economic loss. All these things have to be taken into consideration. Most importantly, gravity of the offense. Right? This is more important. Before going to the facts of the case, I want to reiterate that when we worked as police officers, whenever any person files an application for anticipatory bail, the court will consider the gravity of the offense, the nature of the offense, the effect of the offense, then the stage of the investigation, whether the witnesses, most of the witnesses have been examined or not. Third point, whether there is a chance for the so-called accused to gain over the witnesses, to manage the witnesses, to contact and put them in fear and gain over them. And lastly, whether the accused has got any threat, suppose if he is released on bail, whether he is likely to be attacked. All these points that have to take into consideration and then only deliver the judgment regarding the anticipatory bail. So, out of all these points, what is important? Gravity of the offense. That is what is stated by Honorable Supreme Court in this case. Now, coming to the facts of the case, this relates to crime number 113/22, registered under sections 406, breach of trust, 420, cheating, 467, 468, forgery for the purpose of cheating, 471 also same, and 120B, criminal conspiracy of Badshahpur, Gurugram. Gurugram is now in the outskirts of Delhi, and the rates of the area, that land rate is very, very heavy. Right. So actually this Pratibha Manchanda and others, they are the owners of land located in a Killa number, we call it as survey number 3/1, etc., extending to about, they purchased it maybe around 5 crores or so, now it is worth about 50 crores. Purchased it back in 30 years back, not now. And very recently on 28/2/2022, one of them went to the revenue office, that is Patwar Bhavan, Gurgaon, to obtain the revenue papers relating to the land. But he came to know that the accused persons who prepared the fake GPA, General Paraphrani, and who sold the property with fake documents to others, they wanted the mutation of the records. This is the problem. Already అయిపోయిందంతా వీళ్ళకి తెలియకుండానే. జీపే వేరే ఫేక్ జీపీఏ పెట్టారు, అమ్మేశారు. అమ్మేసిన తర్వాత సేల్ డీడ్ కూడా అయిపోయింది, సబ్ రిజిస్టర్ ఆఫీస్లో అయిపోయింది. వాళ్ళు మ్యూటేషన్ కోసం ఉన్నారు. లక్కీగా 28/2/2020 నాడు జరిగింది, వీళ్ళకి తెలిసింది. Appellants immediately they reported the matter to the concerned authorities. Ultimately the matter came to the police station, that is Badshahpur police station. They went to the police station, that they have given a report that the records are forged, fabricated, and the sale deed has been executed. Therefore, the case was registered. This is one thing. Now the accused, as usual, they filed application for anticipatory bail. Local ADG or PDJ court dismissed the petition stating that regard taking into consideration of the gravity of the offence. So when the local court dismissed immediately, they went to the High Court, and here they went to the Punjab and High Court and see how they twisted the case, stating that this is a civil matter basically, and these people filed civil cases against our Pratibha Chanda, this is Pratibha, Manchanda, others. They have dragged the civil litigation into issue and stated that there are civil disputes pending between both parties, but with the ulterior motive of making it a criminal case, so-called Pratibha, Manchanda, others, they converted it into a criminal case. So when basically it is a civil matter, High Court tended to give and sanction anticipatory bail them. Agreed by this, the state or the appellants, they have approached the Honorable Supreme Court of India by filing SLP. Supreme Court of India, please remember, noted the allegations on the accused are very, very serious. And no doubt, anticipatory bail relates to personal liberty, which is an important thing. But please remember, the court has to maintain the balance. These are the important words. The court has to maintain balance between the so-called the rights and interest of the justice. Individual rights as well as the interest of justice. So, right to liberty and the so-called presumption of innocence till the disposal of the case are vital, but court must consider the gravity of the offence and the impact on the society if the accused are released on bail and the need for a free and fair investigation. Ultimately, the bail was cancelled. And Supreme Court wrote, land scams not only result in financial losses, normally we are under the impression that they will cause some economic loss, not only result in financial loss, but also disrupt the development projects. And please remember, they erode public trust. People are afraid and definitely they are hindering the socio-economic progress. So, bail cancelled. See how cogently the Supreme Court of India interpreted the right to liberty on one side, at the same time the socio-economic impact on the other side. This is what you have to learn. So please read the judgment and enrich your legal knowledge. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.